Hello there. Welcome back to Kinda Cartoon, where learning is fun.
A red, beautiful rose. R-O-S-E, rose. Daffodil, a yellow daffodil. D-A-F-F-O-D-I-L, daffodil. Lotus, pink lotus. L-O-T-U-S, lotus. Iris, I-R-I-S, iris, a purple iris. Daisy, white daisy. D-A-I-S-Y, daisy. Tulip, a pink, beautiful tulip. T-U-L-I-P, tulip. Lily, white lily. L-I-L-Y, lily. Hibiscus, a red hibiscus. H-I-B-I-S-C-U-S, hibiscus. Whoa, a tiger lily. T-I-G-E-R, tiger lily. L-I-L-Y, lily. Sunflower, a yellow, beautiful sunflower. S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R, sunflower. Whoa, carnation. C-A-R-N-A-T-I-O-N, carnation.